Bye.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here for today's video. Hi, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Jordan and my channel has all different type of content from beauty, lifestyle and fashion. I do a little bit of vlogs here and there. I also review products such as today. So I have a lot of playlists on my channel. If you are interested in browsing through anything, you can go in the playlist section on my channel homepage and just browse, watch what interests you, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so, and don't forget to always leave me a thumbs up. I don't want to do too much talking, I just want to jump into today's video, so let's get started. Okay guys, so today I am doing a ring light unboxing. I will also test it out for you guys, give you guys my opinions on the ring light. It's a very affordable ring light. I paid $18 for this ring light on Amazon. Yeah, you heard me right, $18. I know, it's unbelievable. I will share a story with you as to why I bought a new ring light at the end because I totally ruined the one that I have. Well, the one that I had, well, I still have it, so the one that I have, I totally ruined it, and so I had to replace it. So I searched through Amazon until I found one and the price was pretty amazing, $18. I will leave a pop-up on the screen for you so you can see what it looks like, but in case you are interested in purchasing this specific ring light, I will also leave a link down below so you can go ahead and purchase that for yourself. Alright, so the box is big and I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like before we open it up. Okay, so this is the box it came in. Okay, can you see it? I know, it's huge. It came in this huge box. I'm gonna set it down on my table and I'm gonna pull it for you guys, and then we can put it together and talk about it. All right, so let's open it up. I'm literally using one of my ear thingies. Alright, so we have a box inside of a box. We're gonna go ahead and take this out. And we're just gonna throw this away. And let's rest this on the table. So, another box. It has one box. These are the parts. This is the phone thingy-majiggy, which is way bigger than the one that I have now. It came with a remote. These are the instructions, and this is the light. Now I'm going to adjust the stand. Alright, so this is the ring light that I have set up. It is a 12-inch, I believe, and it comes with this phone thingy. I don't know what it's called. It came with two, so it has this smaller one and it has this one, which is great. The quality is really good, I'm not gonna lie. It feels very sturdy. The only thing I would say is the foot on this one. I think I prefer the foot on the one that I have now versus this one, but in terms of the overall feel, and I love that it has these notches to keep this in place so it don't slide. The one that I have now kind of twists, and sometimes it gets untwist and the ring light will fall down. I don't like that. So let's test the light out and see what it looks like. All right, so let's go. All right, this is the ring light on. This is the brightest it can go. This is the mood. So this is the warm light, well, the warm and white light mixed together. This is the white light, and then back to the white and warm light together. Oh wait, that's 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, so it has 3 settings, typical like every ring light. I don't think it's that bright though, to be honest, because the one that I have now, it's really much brighter than this. It illuminates the space. This one is giving me like a dark vibe. I'm not sure if it's where I'm standing in the room, but yeah, it seems dark to me. I'm gonna do a comparison with the one that I have now so you can see the quality of the light. Alright, so this one that I have right now, as I said, it's broken, but this is what the light looks like. This is the new one. They're both on the same setting. Alright, this one now is the warm light versus this warm light, and then we have the white light on that one versus the white light on this one. I don't know, what you guys think? Do you think this one is brighter? Do you think this one is brighter? What are you guys' thoughts? Let me know down in the comment section. Alright, so as you can see, my ring light is busted. This one, it's busted. I'm gonna tell you what happened, why it's looking like this. As you can see, the covering for the ring light is missing on this one. So I'm gonna tell you guys shortly what happened. Alright guys, that is basically what the ring light looks like, how I set it up, which is, you know, everyone who's on YouTube or does or has a social media account, I'm assuming has a ring light, and it's pretty straightforward how you set up your ring light. As I said, I would love to hear from you guys down in the comment section as to what do you think about the quality of the light. I'm sorry, I'm just looking at the ring light over here, but I'm not sure if it's the angle that I took the shot from, or that's going to be the genuine brightness of the light. I'm not sure. I will test it out by making content on YouTube and see what it looks like, and if it's like not up to par, I would definitely give you guys an update on that. But so far so good. I really love the quality of the stand. I love that it comes with two, not one but two phone holders, because the one that I currently have, I broke that part off, which I'm going to talk about that in a second, what happened to that ring light. So yeah, I think that's it's awesome that it has two. I'm probably going to steal that one and put on this one for now to use if I have any issues with the new one. But yeah, what happened now? Alright, so how I bought my ring light was that I was filming content for YouTube. I had a plan that, okay, this week I'm going to film 5 videos, so I had it split up into like 2 days. So day 1, I think I filmed my everyday makeup tutorial as well as my sleek ponytail using braiding hair. That was the day 1 of my schedule, right? By the way, if you have not seen any of those videos, I will link them either above or down below in the description bar. So after I finished making those videos, I was like packing up my stuff, but I wasn't in my usual space. I usually film in my bedroom, but I was actually in my son's room filming those videos because I had some issues with the lighting in my room. So I finished, I was packing up all my stuff, and all the bedrooms here have a ceiling fan. I totally forgot that the ceiling fan was on. So as I was about to pull down the tripod, the stand, I didn't remember the fan was on, and I lifted it up to pull it down, and the fan just blew it away. Like everything was everywhere. The casing for the light was one place, the top was another place, so I basically had to like be piecing things together. So even though the ring light didn't have the facing on it, I decided that I was gonna still use it. At that point I still was like, should I buy a new ring light, should I not buy a new ring light? I was still struggling to see if I needed to buy a new one. So I was like, okay, it works. It might not have the covering for the light itself, but it works. So day 2 rolls around and I made a couple of videos that day, and then I was like, okay, I'm already glammed up, I'm gonna, you know, take some selfies for the gram. And so I was putting my phone back into the phone holder, and as I was supposed to do that, it just broke. Like, it literally broke. I wasn't able to take any pictures because I was at home alone that day filming. I had no one to take my pictures, and I usually just take my pictures myself. And so I was very disappointed. I was so disappointed. I was hurt, but I was happy that I had content, so I didn't have to worry about what I'm gonna put my phone on while I record, you know. So I was alright, the Lord is giving me a sign. I need to order a ring light. So I went onto Amazon and I searched and I found this one. So yeah, that's basically what happened. I busted my ring lights. I ended up having to tape it together, and you know, once it's taped together, it doesn't swivel again, so the head is not flexible like it used to. You can bend it down or up or side, which sucked, by the way. But yeah, I got this ring light. I'm gonna test it out for a while. Knowing me, if I'm not liking this one, I may just take parts of this one and put it onto this one, given that the stand on this is working and the lights work. So I just need to like move around some parts. I may do that, but as I said, I will give you guys an update in another video that I will film with it, and to see how it works out. Alright guys, so that is basically it. Before I go though, if you are loving my lashes, they are by PINKZIO, and I will be posting a video on doing a lash try on for you guys. I'm not sure when I'll be posting that video, but the video itself has already been edited and it's actually up on YouTube. I just need to schedule it. So I'm just playing around right now with the video content that I already have. If it comes up before this video, I will leave it in the cards above so you can check it out. If not, then you can always come back to my channel and browse, of course, and just see what interests you or what new content I have out. Alright guys, so that is it for today. We have come to the end of another video. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you have not subscribed, what are you doing? You need to go ahead and subscribe now, okay? Subscribe to my channel, check out my playlist. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what are your thoughts on this ring light, and as always, your girl will catch you guys in another video. Bye. I'm just loving this hair. Oh my god, it looks so good. You see my curls? They are popping. Yes.